ever heard of camel cheese? There are a lot of camels in the world and their milk is used for drinking and other purposes. But up to my information, nobody has yet succeeded to produce the hard, mature, artisanal, handcrafted camel cheese. I believe I'm one of those innovators of camel cheese who are producing different varieties of cheese. As you can see, I have developed this feta from camel cheese. Here is the raw feta, and this one is feta cheese in extra virgin olive oil. Now, this wheel which I have produced, it's aged for around 1 month. To me, it still needs some more maturing, but right now I want to have a trial of it, how it tastes, how it's, it's R&D. It's still in the process of R&D. So if I bring it closer, zoom in please. You look at this mash, it's cheesecloth actually covering the whole wheel, and you can see this white stuff on top. This is fungus. It's got penicillium, like a 40 style of fungus, which is edible and which infuse all its nutritional values and flavors naturally into the cheese. So now I'm going to cut it and see how it goes. It's a baby wheel, matured only for 1 month. It needs more maturing, but here I want to check its property. You see, wow, it's so sticky. You see, it just sticks to my hands. And I will try this broken piece. It's soft. Its consistency is just like brie or camembert. It's sticky, or I can, more preferably, I think it's closer to any Swiss cheese. And here I'm going to try it. I don't know how it tastes, but I will just let you know. Wow. To my surprise, honestly speaking, it's even better than brie. It's tangy, it's sour. It has that camelicious type of flavor, very different, very aromatic, and I trust that for Europeans, it's going to be a staple with wine. You see its texture? These holes, these are all natural protein breakdown, and it makes it so, spectacular. I love this cheese. I think 1 month age is good enough. I don't want to go beyond it because it's giving its full flavor, complete flavor, and I can eat this whole half wheel at one time. I love it. I just have to add a little bit of more salt to make it more salty. But trust me, once you try this, you will be amazed. And secondly, I tell you something, that camel cheese is one of the best cheese in the world. Camel milk is one of the best and medicated milk in the world. It has got those properties which other mammals don't possess. Like camel cheese is good for, camel milk is good for the children with autism diseases, and of course, definitely when it turns into cheese and have a natural protein breakdown, it takes the vitamins called conjugated linoleic acid, as I have told previously, that this vitamin is essential to, it's a remedy against cancer. So this food, this lovely cheese is edible, and at the same time it's a medicine. Well, at the same time it's expensive because camel milk is expensive and the yield is very low. It gives like 5 or 6% of its yield, but it's amazing. It's worth making, it's worth trying. See you next time.